Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zelga. I do lifestyle vlogs and all things beauty. So today in this video, I'm doing a detailed eyebrow tutorial for beginners. And if you've been trying to do your eyebrows at home and you've been failing, this video is definitely for you. So we are doing a step-by-step eyebrow tutorial, and if you're doing this with me, grab your tools or coffee and let's get right into it. But before that, thank you so much to my new subbies, and if you are already part of the family, thank you so much for always supporting and always showing up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to join the wonderful family, and do not forget to like, comment and share. And I hope by the end of this video you will know what you have been doing wrong when doing your eyebrows and get all the tips and tricks to do your eyebrows right. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. What you need to do first is to brush your natural hairs going upwards with a spoolie brush. And then with any brown pencil, I use this Davis pencil and it has to be sharp. Line the bottom part of your brow where your brows start, and your line should be following the natural brow shape you have. As a beginner, you need to have your brows trimmed and shaped well, and that way it is easier to draw your brows. Mine are thick because I am trying to grow them. I want to line your upper part of the brows just following the same shape, the natural shape you have, and you have to leave a space in the front just to make your brows look more natural. You can do this by measuring with your finger or just eyeball it. After lining the bottom part and the top part of your brows, you have to fill in the gaps with your pencil. Be mindful to not overfill the inner corner because we want to make it look more natural. And then after filling both of your brows, you have to brush it with a spoolie brush, the same one you used at first. And then clean your eyebrows with a concealer. I used a Lego Pro concealer in the shade Cotton, and then this angled brush. You don't need too much product, and make sure you're not rushing this process. The shade of my concealer is 2 shades lighter than my foundation. Then you go on to blend the concealer with a blending brush or a beauty blender, whichever works better for you. Then to clean the upper part of the brows, you use a concealer that is your shade or a foundation. After you've cleaned your brows, then you go on with a spoolie, sorry, and then you're done. Hey guys, we've come to the end of this video. These are the brows and we're all done. Let me know in the comments what other video do you want me to do for you, and if you have any question, just put it out in the comment section and then I'll go through it and then see how best I can answer each one of you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, for sticking around to this end. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.